Good morning, students. Today, let us discuss about the types of semiconductor. The two types of semiconductor, one is a intrinsic semiconductor, another one is a extrinsic semiconductor. So, intrinsic semiconductor means it is a purity. It's a purity semiconductor. The semiconductor in its a pure form without the impurity is called the an intrinsic semiconductor. Are you understood? Semiconductor, intrinsic semiconductor means it is a pure form of semiconductor. Okay, wow. Okay, so this is called to the intrinsic semiconductor. Okay, impurity means any other atoms in the crystal lattice. The silicon lattice, you shown the figure, you see that this is a silicon. The silicon's the outermost orbitals having to that 4 electrons. So you see this side 1 electron, this side 1 electron, this side 1 electron. This is a 1 electron. This is a outer, the silicon outer shell is having the 4 electrons. So you see that the 4 electron in the outermost orbit, and it's a covalently bonded with the neighboring atoms to form the lattice. So now see another one silicon atom. So the silicon atoms is another one also having to the outermost 4 atom. So this atom is a what? Neighboring atoms. Okay, this atom is a own atoms. Okay, so this neighboring atoms electrons in the atoms electrons covalent. It's a covalent bond. So okay, the covalent bond, it's a creating form of the lattice. Okay, so next you see that the small increases in the temperature. Now you see increases in the atoms the silicon we have to give to very small temperature. You are giving to the temperature in the small, it is a sufficient enough to the break some of the covalent bonds and release the electrons free from the lattice. Okay, so now you see you are giving next diagram. You see this diagram. What happened? You are giving to the small quantity of the temperature you are given means what happened? The covalent bond, it's a breakdown. It is creating the free electron. Already having to the electron, that place is empty. So you see that is voltage. So இங்க இருக்க electrons என்ன ஆகும்? breakdown ஆகி move ஆகும். That is a free electron. It's creating to the free electron. So இங்க என்ன ஆகும்? This side is a electron is a empty. இங்க இருக்க electrons வந்து move ஆயிடுச்சு. So here holes only. This is a broken covalent bond. When it's a broken covalent bond, whenever you are heat, the small temperature you are increase that atoms, that times what happen? The covalent bond is broken. Okay, that times creating to that creating to the holes. Okay, now you see that the some states in the valency bond become the empty. When empty, that whenever you are giving to the small temperature, what happens? It's immediately broken to the covalent bond. So that times it's a valency bond become the empty. And the same number of the states in the conduction band will be occupied. Okay, the vacancies produce the valency. This is the vacancy is produced. Okay, this is a vacancy. The vacancy produced in the valency bond are called holes. This is we are called to the holes. As the holes are deficiency of electrons, they are treated to the positive charges. So this types of the holes we are telling to the positive charges. Hence electrons and holes are two charge carriers in the semiconductor. So what happened? Now you see that the two charges in the semiconductor, one is here holes, another one is here electrons. So intrinsic semiconductors, the number of electron in the conduction band is equal to the number of holes in the valency band. So valency band the holes, okay, outermost of the cells holes means valency bond. So that valency equal of the number of the electron is moving to the conducting band. Okay, wow. So this is a this is the current or represent the IE and IH. You see this is a valency bond, this is a conducting bond, this is a forbidden of the gap. Okay, wow. So now you see that valency bond la some of the heat you are producing means what happened, the here having to the electrons also jumping accumulated. So what happens is jumping to the another bond, so another band. So another band means what? Conducting band. It's a jumping to the conducting band. You see the 4 electrons are jumping to the conducting band. So you see that the 4 band occupy that place having to the holes. Okay, this is the holes. Why you are creating the holes now? This holes are having to the electron, that electron is jumping to the conducting band. Okay, wow. So here having to the holes. So now we are, the total current I is always the sum of the electrons current. So I electron current, how do you calculate the electron current? I equal to IE. IE means electrons plus H means holes, electron holes. Okay, wow. So IE plus HI. Okay, you are calculated to the current. And instantaneous semiconductor behaves like the insulator at the 0 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin la what happens? It's a insulator. It's not conducting to the current. Why means we are not given to the any energy, any temperature level. Okay, wow. So that 0 Kelvin la the semiconductor, the instantaneous semiconductor is a insulator. The increase the temperature, increase the number of charges carries the systematic diagram of the instantaneous conductor. The instantaneous carries concentration is the number of the electron in the conduction band. So number of the carry instantaneous semiconductor, number of the electrons jumping to the conducting band. Okay, wow. So the number of holes in the valency band, it's equal. Okay, so this is the instantaneous semiconductor. Okay, now you see that next one, extrinsic semiconductor. So extrinsic semiconductor means it is a impurities. It is a impurities. Okay, so extrinsic semiconductor means it is a impurity. The carrier concentration in on extrinsic semiconductor is not sufficient enough to develop the efficient electronic device. So the impurity very extrinsic semiconductor means the purity semiconductor, right? So it is not enough to that sufficiency electrons. Okay, wow. So what happened? It is a insulator, right? So we want added to the impurity. Some of the impurity you are added to the instantaneous means what happened? It is a sufficiency on the upper the equipments la. Okay, wow. So another way they increase the carrier the concentration in the instantaneous semiconductors by the adding the impurities atom. So we are adding to the impurities atoms. The process of the adding the impurities to the instantaneous semiconductor is called the doping. So what is the doping? The 2 mark question coming. It's a very important one. What is doping? Doping means what? The process of adding impurities atom to instantaneous semiconductor. Okay, semiconductor la impurity atoms add பண்ற process தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? Doping. This is called to the doping. Okay, it's a very important 2 mark coming. Okay, so next one, it increases the concentration of, the concentration of the charges carries in the semiconductor and turned. It is electrical conductivity. So immediately it is a, what happens? Conduct to the electricity. The impurity atoms are called the dopants. So impurity, what is dopants? Asking that. What is the dopants now? It is a impurity atoms. The impurity atoms are called the dopants. Okay, so and it's order the approximately 100 ppm. ppm means parts per million. Okay, so now next one you see that characteristics of forward bias. Okay, first one characteristics of the junction diode. Two we have to see. One is a forward characteristics, another one is a reverse characteristics. Okay, so now you see that forward. forward junction diode. So the forward junction diode we take to the PN junction diode is a forward bias, and external resistance R is used to the limit the flow of current through the diode. The voltage across the diode is a varied by varying by the biasing voltage across the DC power supply. So forward bias voltage and the corresponding forward bias current are noted. A graph is plotted by the taking the forward bias voltage, and the voltage is taken to the x-axis, the current is taken to the y-axis. The graph is called the forward VI characteristic of the PN junction diode and shown in the figure. Okay, you see that this is what a diode, this is voltage, this is a milliampere, this is a resistance, this is a battery. Okay, wow. Now you see that connected to the, how to you are connect to the forward bias, plus you are connecting means that forward bias, minus you are connecting means forward bias. The voltage, you see that voltage plus terminal connect to the negative terminal connect to the diode, negative terminal connect பண்ணிருக்கோம். So positive terminal of the diode connect to the voltage terminal of positive connect பண்ணிருக்கோம். Terminal of the positive la connect பண்ணிருக்கோம். So this is what bias is a forward bias. It is a forward bias. Whenever that the voltage is increase, the voltage is given to that, it's a passing to that diode. So diode, it's a diode, it's a moving. Okay, so here this little bit small values you are increasing to that increasing to the voltage means it's going to the diode also. Okay, wow. So this is a forward bias. Okay, now we are noted that and we are draw to that graph. Okay, so this one you see that whenever that, this is a one practical also, this one coming PN junction diode, it is a practical. You see that so ஏன்னா இங்கே வந்து எக்ஸாக்ஸில் எந்த இடத்துல வந்து அது இங்கே பாருங்கள் ஒரு சடன் டைமில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்ன ஆகுனா the voltage level is ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். the certain டைமில் what happen, it's increase that level, the current oda level, it's immediately it's increases certain level, it's increases the time. Okay va. So that time, that point we are telling to the knee voltage or breakdown voltage. So idan we are telling to the knee voltage or breakdown voltage. Okay va. So this is a characteristic is here, 4 types of the characteristics having. You see that the room temperature, potential difference equal to the barrier potential is a record before a reasonable forward current starts flowing across the diode. The voltage is known as the threshold voltage or cut in the voltage or new the voltage. The approximately 0.3 volt for the germanium and 0.7 volt for the silicon. The current flow is negligible when the applied the voltage is less than threshold voltage. Beyond that threshold voltage is increases the current. You have to apply to the current. Whenever the voltage is less than current you are applying means the voltage is lessly you are current applying, threshold voltage also that increasable இருக்கும். Okay va. So increase in the current sufficient even for the small increases the voltage small current வந்து ஸ்மாலாக இருந்ததா increases in the current is sufficient even for the small increases in the voltage also. Okay va. The graph clearly infer that the current flow it's not linear and it's exponential, hence that's not obey the Ohm's law. Okay, so now you see that forward resistance abdina how to define means the ratio of the small changes in the voltage to the small change in the current. voltage la enna change பண்றீங்களோ அதே என்ன இருக்கும் கரண்ட்லயும் சேஞ்சஸ் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா. ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை வி ஆர் டேக்கிங் டு த RF ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ், அதாவது ஃபார்வர்ட் ரெசிஸ்டன்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு del V by del I. This the diode behaves as conductor when it's a forward bias. So this is a forward bias. If the applied the voltage increases beyond the rate value, it produce the extremely large current which may destroy the junction due to overheat. So what happened, you are given to the more current voltage, more current you are giving means more voltage you are giving means more current it's a creating in the diode. That times what happened, the diode is a breakdown, so it is not conducting to the, it is not passed through to the current, it's a breakdown only. Okay va, so this is the voltage which the diode breakdown, so this is called the breakdown voltage. So diode enna pannom, the voltage high level pass aguma automatically it's stopped to the voltage. So this is here we are telling to the breakdown voltage. So it is a safe operating the diode will within the threshold voltage and the breakdown voltage. Okay, so next you see the reverse characteristics. So reverse characteristics, you see the diagram, the diode plus terminal, the diode of the plus terminal connected to the voltage negative terminal. So the negative terminal of the diode is connected to the voltage terminal of the positive. So opposite we are connected. So this is what, it's a reversible reverse, it's a reverse bias. So it is a hard only. Hard means what I am said, it is a current is a very small quantity only, it's a passing to the current. Okay va, so now you see that in the reverse bias the PN region of the diode is connected to the negative terminal and N region to positive terminal to the DC power supply. So the volt la connect pannirkom. The graph in drawn between the reverse bias is a voltage and current across the junction with a called the reverse characteristics of a PN junction diode. Okay, under the bias a very small current in the mu A. So inga parunga, very small current only we have to micro ampere. Inga vanda macro ampere koduthirupa, it's a current is a fastly going on. So inga vanda very small quantity of the current only passing here. So anala we have to change inga vanda micro. Okay, koduthirukom. Okay va. Next you see that flow of current functions. This is due to the flow of the minority charges carried. Already you know that majority, இப்போ PN junction la majority characters வந்து என்ன இருக்கும், P type of the semiconductor la holes இருக்கும். So we are taking to the positive. N junction, N semiconductor la what having that is a majority of the electrons இருக்கும். ஓகேவா, ஸோ அப்போ மைனாரிட்டியும் இருக்கும். மைனாரிட்டி இப்போ 15 electrons N junction N types of the semiconductor la have means it is a 3 or 4 is a positive also having, the holes also having, right? So this is a minority. So about reverse bias having to that minority also, minority of the holes and electron also have, right? So that is a what happened, that electrons holes also that carry to the current, it's a carry to the current, it's a slowly processing. Okay va, so the flow minority carries called the leakage current. So the minority taking to the current, that is we are telling the leakage current. So that is we are telling to the leakage current. The saturations, next we are telling to the saturation current also. Leakage current or saturation current. Besides, the current is almost independent of the voltage. The reverse bias voltage can be increases only of the rated value, otherwise the diode will enter into the breakdown the region. Okay va, are understood? Okay, thank you children.